Hi guys, I'm super excited. I have a package here I get to open with y'all. This is from Piglet's Closet. Isn't that a cute name? They were having a sale on Paint Couture paint line, I think is what it's called. I can't exactly remember. But they are not selling the product anymore, so they reduced everything and they slapped a sale price on it and trying to clear their inventory out. So I snatched up some of this paint. It's acrylic paint. I've never used this brand before, so I'm excited to try this paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up with you guys today and we're gonna see what I got here. Okay. Go ahead and open it up. Gotta be careful, I don't slice my fingers. I want to say this was like 30 or 40% off or something like that. I did order some of their gray primer, but I guess it was refunded to me because the paint can was damaged and they didn't take that off of the stock list or whatever. So they refunded me, which was great. And they also were doing a special free shipping on any order over $50, and with the primer my order was $52. So after they took out the primer, they didn't even charge me additional shipping, so that was really kind of nice of them to do that. Okay, so ooh, oh, look how pretty this is. Okay, so this color is called Peace, and yeah, Paint Couture is the brand. So it's like I don't know, it's like a gray color, like grayish beige. I'm excited about that. And then this is so pretty. This is called I Got Hue, Babe. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It's like a really dark blue green. This one is called Misty Ford, and it's like a very light green with like mixes of like beige or gray in it. And then this one is kind of a fun color, so I'm excited about that one too. And I want to say that these were on sale for, I think these were only like $11 or something. So 16 ounces for $11. It's pretty good. And I think this one, I would have ordered a bigger one of this, but they were out of stock. And I think this one was like $7. So definitely worth it to get the bigger one for just a few dollars more. So I'm excited to try these. So I'm going to be working on a project here really soon with these paints, and I will let you guys know what I think about this product line, Paint Couture, as I've never used it before. It's all acrylic paint. I don't believe it is chalk based. So yeah, we'll see how it goes on and how I like it and everything. So so thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to see future videos. Bye.